Efo Riro is always a fabulous delight, no matter how simple you make it, right? Fofolicious Food Bites is here, and my delight recipe for today is Efo Riro. I'm making it simple, and you can see how easy it is. My ingredients are green vegetables, palm oil, iru, smoked fish, pomo, beef, tatashe, onions, rodo, and seasonings. There are several ways of cooking Efo Riro. Today I'm making a very basic, delicious version. You shred the vegetable, cut in slices, rinse and soak in hot water. Allow it to cook and set aside. Clean and prep all your ingredients. Remove bone from fish, boil your meat, clean and cut your pomo, wash your tatashe, rodo, onions. For this recipe, I want my pepper mix to be grated blend. It's time to cook. Heat the pot, pour in the palm oil. Don't bleach the palm oil, just allow it to be very hot. Add the pepper mix and the seasoning. Then the iru, mix it very well. Then add the pomo, beef, smoked fish and mix everything. Allow it to be very fried. Yes, it's sizzling and the iru and pepper mix flavor is screaming Efo Riro, Efo Riro. I will just check to see that all is fried, no water moisture at all. Then it's time to add my green vegetable. Once I do and mix, then just count up to 10. Let's start. And it's ready. I told you it's a simple version of Efo Riro. I'm not going to waste time again. I need to taste this deliciousness. I'm enjoying my Efo Riro with pounded yam today. Please feel free to recreate and enjoy yours with either rice, eba, semovita, plantain flour, tuwo. The list is endless, you know. And now I have to tell you how the taste is. Deliciousness. I mean, absolute deliciousness. Thank you for watching and keep watching.